Hello guys, welcome back to Piano with Nick. Okay, so this is a Ghanaian piano tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna break down this song by Parquet Jr. Okay. Akicha miche, to be nana, to be nesie. Akicha miche, to be nana, to be nebo. Ye nimnia maya, ama Yesu kri. Akicha miche, to be nana, to be nesie. Akicha miche, to be nana, to be nebo. Ye nimnia ya, ma Yesu kri. Kita micho. Okay, so this song is by Parquet Jr. I love the song so much. At first, I didn't know what it meant though. So when I was listening to it, I thought that, oh wow, this is a powerful song. Then along the line, I think he started explaining what it meant by Akita Miche, which means that God goes with you or something like that, and comes with you, something like that. Okay, so I just love the song so much, so I decided to break it down. And those of you who get to see this particular tutorial, share it, okay, so that others will also see the amazing work that he's doing. Okay, so without much ado, I don't know if this is the original cover. I think the original cover is reggae, okay, but I think I saw this one on TikTok. Okay, so it was done in the key of A flat or G sharp. Okay, but I'm playing in the key of F. So without much ado, in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 1. Okay, so guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Okay, so let's dive in. So what am I doing? I'm doing this. Okay, the first chord, we are under 1 chord. Okay, alright, so under 1 chord I have the C, I have the F, I have the A. So basically both my left and the right hand is doing the same thing. Okay, alright, then I'm doing this. Alright, so basically this is what I'm doing. Okay, I'm doing the C on the left, the G on the left. Okay, then the right hand is doing the B flat, the E, and the G. Okay, alright, okay, okay, so a B flat, E, and G. Alright, then to the 1. Okay, so let's go one more time. Alright, so the chord that I'm playing right now is F, C, F. Right hand is doing the C, F, and A. Then we do a passing chord. We are approaching the 6th chord, the La. Okay, so we do a passing chord like this. Alright, so basically I have the A and E. Right hand is doing the A, C sharp, and E. Then, alright, I'm doing the D, A, D. Right hand is doing the A, D, F, F. Then flat 5 to the 5. Okay, so let's check that one again. Then okay, then let's take the other part to this. Alright, so that's the part that says ye nimnia ya ma Yesu kri akicha micho da 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 da. Okay, I don't know how to sing it, but I think showing you the chords will be enough, okay, for you to play. So what is that? I'm doing this. Okay, that's the second part of it. The first one we played follow different progression. The second part follow different progression also. Okay, so what is that? Okay, Okay, so basically I have the D, the A, and the D. Then the right hand is doing the A, C, and F. Then, okay, I have the C, G, C. Right hand is doing the G, C, E. Then, yeah, I really love this chord. This painty chords. Okay, painty. I have the B flat, F, and B flat. Right hand is doing the F, G sharp, and D. This song, this particular chord, if you are playing in a Pentecostal church and you don't play it, also, they will tell you that you are not anointed or you are not playing the spirit. I'm telling you. Okay, so let me show you one more time. B flat, F, B flat, right hand, F, G sharp, and D. Then, okay, these chords are not new chords. Okay. 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 So let me sing through. Akita miche, to be nana, to be nesie. Akita miche, to be nana, to be nebo. Ye nimya ya hama Yesu kwi. Akita micho, nada bada. Okay. Ye nimunia ya ama Yesu kwi. Akita micho. So basically that's what they use for this particular song. Okay, just in case you want me to break down a song progression for you, just pick the title or the link. Okay, then paste it to any of my comment section. Just paste it there. If I get to see it and I click and it opens, I'm gonna break it down for you, or you can check the title of it. Okay, then DM me, whichever way. Okay, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. More videos like this is coming your way. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.